Hey everybody. All right, so this is a live stream, so I'm doing this a little different. Obviously, I'm in a different location yet again. Um I was playing with the podcast which I just released. I think it was episode 14 now. And I'll do 15 shortly, but one of the things I wanted to see, one, how this recording's going to sound, how this mic's going to do. Um Even though it's nothing really set up, one of the things I've learned is it doesn't have to be perfect, right? This is real. Here, let's see if I can do the card thing. 7 of hearts. Here, multiple cards. Um, yeah, shout out to Theory 11 because I just got their new Spider-Man deck and it looks, here, I'll just show you that one. Looks pretty amazing. Ah, get it, Amazing Spider-Man. Anyway, um, so this is the live version, and I am playing playing with cards, and being me, but authentically, like trying to just deliver messages and mainly of dumping my brain so I can actually come back and review it. So many things going on right now. It's actually really exciting. But the most important thing is all the stuff I've been doing with AI is it just keeps getting crazier and crazier. I'm like, if you haven't seen the new podcast, I created a new intro and I wanted to see how that worked. And it worked great. I used so many tools just to generate that. But I started with, I don't know what I started with to actually do that. I think it was Seed Dance is how I originally did it. And I didn't, because it's an intro video, I don't need a 30-second intro. I literally needed like 10 seconds. So it's actually really good for like intros and trailer, like really short trailers or B rolls of anything. You can do that on their free plan. And it actually did a really good job. Then one of the things I did with the podcast is I figured out, all right, I'm going to use Descript to actually handle the scripting of it, to actually organize all uh, the uhs, the ums, the filler words, and things like that, and just clean up the presentation of it. Um, oh, that was funny. Uh, you're probably like, what was funny? I actually I picked a card. So this one, right? And it's actually really cool. But because of it, it's very similar to a regular card, but it's one of their marketing cards for this deck. Um, anyway, the there's another one. This is the Theory 11 version. The thing I really wanted to do was see how much I can automate. So now Descript has a way to actually generate voices, generate avatars, and things like that. And like if I do, let's see if I can do that right. Hey, that's not bad. That's camera magic. I mean, no, that was real, but in real life, you'd be like, I see how you did that. Um, anyway, this is live. So the other thing that's actually really interesting is what Descript has done. It clones voices now. It generates avatars. I am currently, let's see where it's at. I'm halfway done. I'm generating a new avatar on top of a scene I created, and I want to see how good it is. Um, if you're not familiar with HeyGen or Animes or Synthesia, those are all amazing tools that generate avatars for you. And once you have your avatar, then the rest of it's easy. Because then you actually can, well, it's not easy, but it's easier. People are using character sheets for their avatars, and if you don't know what a character sheet is, it's basically it's a T-pose of you as a human, front, back, side, and then close-ups of your face, so it can actually what it it's actually a little creepy. What it does, it removes your mouth, and then it actually fills your mouth in when it does the lip syncing part. And then 11 Labs for your voice. Descript actually did a pretty good job of my voice, so we'll see how good it actually sounds. Um, let's see what else. Yeah, and then so once this Descript, I'll post it to LinkedIn. But once this Descript goes live, uh, then I want to see 80%. Oh, it's almost done. Generated 100%. Your avatars are now ready. So let's take a look and see what it looks like together. Um, Let me do this. And I think I can share my screen. Oh, that's funny. That's not it. Main camera. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, there's the new intro, by the way. Yeah, didn't need all that. I want my code screen. Primary border. See, I haven't actually set that up. Code camera. Oh, there it is. Let's put it in the bottom right. No, top right. Let's keep the logo. All right, so got the camera right. Let's make this a little bit bigger and then move that to here. And then why does it not? Let's see. Script log. Close. I'm gonna do screen capture properties. Chroma key. Yeah, that's not good. Close. Add source. Add source. I want to do screen capture. Could do window capture. I prefer screen capture. macOS screen capture. That one. Add new. Display. Built-in display. There we go. Hide OBS. There we go. Show cursor. Okay. And now let's move this to here. And then transform fit to screen. There we go. Good enough. All right, so this is the thing that I did with Descript. So let me go over and show you. So let's see what it looks like.
Tasks, data entry, scheduling, basic analysis are being automated at unprecedented speed. This isn't a threat. It's an opportunity to focus on what humans do best: creativity, judgment, and connection. But here's the shift most leaders miss. AI isn't just a productivity tool, it's a collaboration partner. The most effective teams aren't.
That's not bad. Who knew? So I'm gonna post that final one up to, I'll do it on LinkedIn, why not? And see how that comes through. But I did all of that. So I didn't use HeyGen, Synthesia, or any of that. I did all of that with Descript. So Descript is it's kind of impressive. It's getting better every day. I want to see how the lip sync sounds, but that voice was actually pretty good. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just play with that. Oh, in case you're wondering what the new intro looks like, it looks like this. Not that one. It looks like this. And there it goes. And that was my new intro for the podcast. I have another one for the streams and live streams. Like you've seen that one. So if I go to the starting soon and I play not that one, but I play this one. This is the one you actually know, and then I can do the music with it. Um, so you can probably hear the music now. Anyway, that's the intro to this, to the live stream. So I tried to separate the podcast from the live stream to make it actually easier. Um, I want to see how all of this is going to play out. I want to make sure the audio levels are right. One of the things I've been working on is authenticity, or whatever you want to call it, which is really kind of funny in the world of AI. I was like, authenticity, and I just created an avatar. Um, what I want to do though with that is uh, not polish it, right? And do more of these kind of things, like the live streams, and just have them be exactly what they are. I've been listening to a few podcasts and watching a few. And actually, I've been watching a lot. And what I've realized is some of them are like, they have like production crews and production assistants and like video editors and designers. And I have, I have me. That's it. Right. So I think the content is way more important than the actual polishing, which is kind of my mantra, right? Is perfection is the enemy of good. And I've known that for a very long time. And everyone's in such a hurry to get things out there, but they're also like, oh, we can't release it because it's going to affect the way our brand works and blah, blah, blah. And if your content is good, does it really matter? I mean, there's some things like I won't, I will not tune in to podcasts if I can't take the person's voice. Duh. Um, or the audio is not good, or it's crackly. I don't know. There's a lot of things in regards to that that I was like, no, I have zero tolerance for that. Um, so there is a certain level of polish that you should do. You should have a really good audio. I don't. Most of this is just audio anyway. I'm not going to be sharing like, well, I do like code snippets and like here's my OS and here's how I set this up, and but those are not generally live streams. Those are more planned and production things. So you aren't wasted time and you can actually take the code and say, all right, I have the code now. Let me go do that. But when I'm just doing this kind of thing, it's more of like I don't have a ring light. I don't have um I don't know how the lighting. I have a new light behind me right there. And that light, like I wonder if this yeah, that changed. Whoa. So, I mean, that's me playing with the lights. Uh, my background is not everything. It's just I'm doing what I do in a new place. So let's see how that works. Uh, it'll change soon. It's been changing a lot for me recently. Uh, was just in Florida. Uh, was in Tennessee and just doing what I do, and uh, like not polished. And I just want to be able to get some of these things that are going on in my head and some of these messages that are coming out and identify like it's not that hard. People are overanalyzing things. There was a guy I met in Tampa and had lunch with him, and just like, here's what you need to do. And he was like, oh, well, can you do it? And I was like, all right, I can do it. And I sent him a proposal and he was like, I think I can do it myself. And I was like, yes, you can. And then he got really excited. And I think that is better than me being an employee or him being my client, is for him to go, I don't need you. And that's pretty exciting when people are willing to put forth the effort to learn how great these tools have become and how much you can use them for things that are outside of tech. Everyone's like, oh, well, I'm not technical and I'm not a coder and all of those things. And I was like, you don't have to be. Just relax. Just ask it some questions, have it interview you. I did a podcast about having the AI interview and learn about you and learn about um, the way you talk, your interactions, the way you actually operate with your whatever your project is. What are your workflows like? And you'd be amazed at what it can actually do for you. Um, yeah, that's it. It's about, oh wow, I've been talking almost 15 minutes. All right, so this is a short one. It's actually longer than my podcast, so I can't say it's that short. But that's all I got for tonight. Probably gonna do this again soon. Uh, but yeah, that's all I got. And here's my outro, which this one hasn't changed yet. Maybe I'll use some AI for that. But check out the AI avatar that I did with Descript that's about to come out because it literally just finished. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Go build something amazing.